Hello friends, as we all know that Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has reshuffled his cabinet on 28 October 2012 and now there is a new setup of Council of Ministers. Prime Minister's new team has taken the charge on the very next day, that is 29th October 2012. Here is the list of ministers. Have a look. Sharad Pawar, Minister of Agriculture and Minister of Food Processing Industries. A.K. Antony, Minister of Defence. P. Chidambaram, Minister of Finance. Sushil Kumar Shinde, Minister of Home Affairs. Salman Khurshid, Minister of External Affairs. Ghulam Nabi Azad, Minister of Health and Family Welfare. M. Virappa Moily, Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Farooq Abdullah, Minister of New and Renewable Energy. S. Jayapal Reddy, Minister of Science and Technology and Earth Sciences. Kamal Nath, Ministry of Urban Development and Parliamentary Affairs. Ajit Singh, Minister of Civil Aviation. Vayalar Ravi, Minister of Overseas Indian Affairs. Mallikarjun Kharge, Minister of Labour and Employment. Kapil Sibal, Minister of Communications and Information Technology. Anand Sharma, Minister of Commerce and Industry and Minister of Textiles. C.P. Joshi, Minister of Road Transport and Highways. Kumari Selja, Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment. G.K. Vasan, Minister of Shipping. Pawan Kumar Bansal, Minister of Railways. M.K. Alagri, Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Praful Patel, Minister of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. Shri Prakash Jaiswal, Minister of Coal. K. Rahman Khan, Minister of Minority Affairs. Beni Prasad Verma, Minister of Steel. Jairam Ramesh, Minister of Rural Development. Dinesh Patel, Minister of Mines. Ajay Maken, Minister of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation. M.M. Pallan Raju, Minister of Human Resource Development. Harish Rawat, Minister of Water Resources. Chandresh Kumari Katoch, Minister of Culture. Ashwini Kumar, Minister of Law and Justice. Now we'll have a look on Ministers of State with independent charge. Manish Tiwari is into the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Krishna Tirath, Ministry of Women and Child Development. K. Chiranjeevi, Ministry of Tourism. K.V. Thomas, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Shrikant Jena, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation as well as Minister of State of the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Jayanthi Natarajan, Ministry of Environment and Forests. Paban Singh Ghatovar, Ministry of Development of North Eastern Region and Minister of State of the Ministry of Parliament Affairs. Jyotiraditya Madhav Rao Scindia, Ministry of Power. K.H. Muniappa, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Sachin Pilot, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Jitendra Singh, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Bharat Singh Lonki, Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation. Now we'll have a look on the Ministers of State. E. Ahmed, Ministry of External Affairs. D. Purandeshwari, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Jitin Prasada, Ministry of Defence and Human Resource Development. S. Jagat Rakshakan, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. K.C. Venugopal, Ministry of Civil Aviation. Rajiv Shukla, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs and Planning. Millapalli Ramachandran, Ministry of Home Affairs. V. Narayana Samy, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions. Minister of State in the Prime Minister's Office. R.P.N. Singh, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home. Panabaka Lakshmi, Minister of State in the Ministry of Textiles. Rani Nara, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, Ministry of Railways. A.H. Khan Chaudhary, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Sarve Satyanarayana, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Ninong Ering, Ministry of Minority Affairs. Deepa Das Munshi, Ministry of Culture. Porika Balram Nayak, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Shri Krupa Rani Killi, Ministry of Communications and Information Technology. Lalchand Kataria, Ministry of Defence. Namo Narayan Meena, Ministry of Finance. S.S. Palani Manikkam, Ministry of Finance. Preneet Kaur, Ministry of External Affairs. Sisir Adhikari, Ministry of Rural Development. D. Napoleon, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. S. Gandhi Selvan, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Tushar Bhai Chaudhary, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Prateek Prakash Bapu Patil, Ministry of Coal. Pradeep Jain, Ministry of Rural Development. Charan Das Mahant, Ministry of Agriculture and Food Processing Industries. Milind Deora, Ministry of Communications and Information Technology. Shashi Tharoor, Ministry of Human Resource Development. KJ Surya Prakash Reddy, Ministry of Railways. Kodikunil Suresh, Ministry of Labour and Employment. So friends, this was the list of the ministers. You can also check out the link below for the complete text. Thank you.